Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID password error. Your password cannot include name, phone number, or email. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to reset your Apple ID password, but you're facing this type of issue again and again that you cannot reset your password cannot include your name, phone number, or part of your email address. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you just have to go back. But whenever you try to create a new password, including your name, your phone number, or any part of your email address in your password, it might be show this type of a pattern. You can easily fix that by creating a new and a strong password. So now you can open your Apple ID reset password section, but I'm gonna make it in my blank page here. So you just have to try to add a capital letter first. It might be anything from here. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Once I've entered a capital letter, try to enter one, two, or more number, or you can also try to enter any random numbers. Then re-enter a word from here. You have entered a specific word which you can remember. Let's say I'm gonna enter name of any pet here. Then you have to try to enter any sample. Once I've entered any sample, just count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now it might be a best password for your Apple ID. You just have to tap done here. So your Apple ID cannot decline this password. You have to try to use this, or you can create your own one which you can remember easily. So in this way, you can easily fix your Apple ID password errors. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.